Well, good evening, guys. This is just a quick video, and it's a quick apology to every one of you guys that's invested their time in watching me build this Honda Hornet. I have not put any videos out in the last couple of months for no other reason that I just haven't had the time. We've been so busy on the other channel, Mad About Bikes, touring and doing all the things we do there. Work's been crazy, so I just haven't had the time or the enthusiasm to get in here and actually do anything. So there's been no videos. So I do apologise. And I have been caught out. We've been to a few shows recently, and we went to the AVR festival, and I had people come up to me that recognised me from the channel and say, come on, where's the videos on that Honda Hornet? I was looking forward to them all. And I had no excuse really, other than, yeah, just a bit too busy. But going forwards, I'm now going to get some work done on it. But, and this is a big but, it's a big change. If you've come across the channel initially and you've wanted to watch me turn this Honda Hornet into a Scrambler style Hornet, that's now going to change. And I'll tell you why I'm going to change it and what I'm going to change it to. The reason I'm going to change it is because I've now changed I'm in the process of changing my day-to-day bike to more of an off-road orientated bike. So I am going to be doing a lot more off-roading, scrambling sort of thing on my day-to-day bike. So I kind of thought to myself, and while I've had this break not doing anything, why do I need to then build another Scrambler for the weekend bike, only to be very similar to the one that I ride day to day? I'm not going to get much value from it, which means that then when I won't ride it, I'll lose interest really, really quickly. So I've had a bit of a change of heart, and I'm going to come away now from the Scrambler style custom build, and I'm going to continue with my initial idea before I thought of the Scrambler, and I'm going to go back down the Cafe Racer style route, because the frame fabrication is all there for me. I need to do no more. And actually, the more I look at the bike, the more I see Cafe Racer without the Scrambler bars and the knobbly tyres. So really, it's going to be quite an easy transition to go back down that route with some race tyres, clip-on bars, the seat from a Cafe Racer, and I think it's going to look really, really cool. Still going to be a really mega build. But what that will give me is something completely different to my day-to-day bike. It will give me something, when I get on it a weekend, it will feel different, it's a different style, I can wear different clothing, and I can be a lot more excited about it, and I will then end up using it a lot more. So that's the reason that I'm changing the style bike, and I've had plenty of time over the last couple of months not doing anything on it to decide that. So yeah, apologies if you've subscribed to the channel to watch a Honda Hornet being turned into a Scrambler. That won't be done on this occasion, but it will be a really cool Cafe Racer, which I will get finished, and we will take it out on the road and potentially do a few small tours on it and take it to shows and all that sort of stuff that I was going to do anyway. So do stick with me. It will still be a really cool build, but I'm just not building it into a Scrambler. And ultimately, that's going to save me a whole lot of hassle that I didn't want to do anyway, because I had thought initially, if I'm going to go down the Scrambler route, I should do it properly. Change all the forks to maybe some trans-out forks, change all the rear shock and all that. Probably all stuff I haven't got the knowledge, time or money to do. So going down the Cafe Racer route is something slightly easier for me, and it will help me get the build finished a little bit quicker. So yeah, this is just a short video, it's just an update, and again, I apologise for not putting any videos out. But I will be in his shed a lot more now, getting this brought forwards, and now I've got a slightly simpler task on my hands. It will get done a lot quicker. And as the autumn kicks in and I'm in the workshop a lot more, there's going to be different projects coming in and out, and I'm just going to be mucking around with bikes and making some really cool stuff. So do stick with me on the channel. I do really appreciate every watch, subscribe, like, comment. I love all that, and that's why I do it. I wouldn't do it otherwise. So yeah, just a quick update. I will see you very soon when we'll get the engine in this and do the small bits of fabrication that needs to be done for the Cafe Racer. See you soon, guys. Cheers.